you guys ready?
Yes.
So let Sophia catch up, and she's gonna open her box.
Put the light on.
There's one over here. Do you want to open that one?
Me and?
Yeah.
So today we're gonna make some gingerbread houses. So we're gonna take out all the pieces.
I did it.
Yep.
I got one.
Hold on.
Pull it
I
out.
got one. Oh.
Okay. Hang on.
I got more pieces. There they are. Big.
So hang on. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. There's a couple pieces that are gonna help make it easier.
Hey, mine.
Okay.
Stuff.
Yes, Jamie.
So see this part? Look, Sophia, Damien.
What?
Look. This is going to help hold the pieces together. And so's this when we get the roof together, okay?
Okay. I need an ant, Daddy.
Because we don't need that yet. Oh, Auntie will get a knife to cut that open.
I got it.
How did he get it?
Mommy.
Stubborn.
I got mine. Now you can open it.
There you go.
Sophia, hang on.
There. There you go.
Okay, we're gonna set the gingerbread guy and the tree aside. And you have to get all the... You can set the rooftop aside for now.
What's another door? Why are there two doors?
One's the back, one's front.
Yeah, we have a front door and a back door, right?
And windows.
Okay, so these are the roof. See these pieces? They're the roof. We can set those aside for a minute, okay?
And these are the windows.
So this tray, Sophia, we're gonna use to help hold the house up.
Just
But
wait.
what we're gonna do is we have to flip them over like this. Hang on, we gotta see which way is up. Okay. And then I think
Because I tried last year, it just fell apart on me. I'm gonna make it to the roof and then it all fell apart.
okay. So what we're gonna do is take these two pieces first, and we're just gonna do. Hang on. No, it just pops off. It doesn't twist. Okay, so Damien, you're gonna take the icing and you're gonna just do a line here, and a line here, and a line here, and a line there.
Can I do it like Damien's?
Okay?
Okay.
Working? Do you want it a bigger hole maybe?
What?
You gotta do a straight line. Follow all down here.
1, 2, 3.
Hang on. Do you want mommy to help?
Okay.
Okay. Got
Good
it.
job. The bag is big, huh?
No, here. Start here.
Okay. You gotta come over to the
Push.
side a little bit more.
Push.
Okay, hang on.
I can't get it because I need a bigger hole.
There, okay?
I need a
Watch.
bigger hole. Mommy.
Maybe mommy and Uncle Matt will help with this part because it's hard.
Mom, can I do it?
Here, and then we're gonna go like this. Watch. Go all the way. Oh, hang on. You can't go fast. You gotta go slow. Okay, do this one.
It's 3 because it was wide like this.
I like the ice
Three. Instead of doing this,
And now
I
taste.
had- when I
One little
glued it
taste.
around, I glued the wrong.
I had the one taste.
together with
Okay.
the
Yum.
Now that we have this done,
You just have a taste.
wait. We're gonna use the tray, and we're gonna go like this.
Me.
And hang on, we gotta take this piece, and we gotta set this together.
Inside of the pipe instead of the outside.
I would do this.
Sure.
We're just kicking it.
And then we set this
Can I
one
put this
together.
up?
Just wait a second, please. Look out for a
And
second.
then we take this one. Hang on, let me see. Because I think we missed where it's gonna go.
Where's my...
Oh, wait, no, that one goes here.
Okay.
Now, can we activate them? Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta do the roof, but we gotta see. We gotta glue
you
here.
go.
Okay.
Now we need glue. What? What one? What?
Yep. We gotta glue on the gable. Good job.
Can you do the glue here? Then I can put the roofers
Come on,
on.
Damien.
I will put
Here, I'll turn it and we do glue there.
front, back, back. Oh.
Okay, good. That's okay. Here. We'll turn it. Now you can do that one.
You're good at this. And I'm not that good at it.
Good job, dude. Oh, that was so good, dude. Stop eating it. You won't have any left to decorate.
It's hard.
Okay, you want me to do the rest? You
Can I
did
do
good.
it? Can
No,
I
not
do-
yet, not yet.
Can I do this?
Not yet, dude. We gotta get our roof on first.
Mommy, I will just wait till we're done.
You are?
With these, I will wait.
Do that side and I do this side.
It's getting
job.
good.
Good job, dude.
Aww.
Okay. And now what this does, watch. See this? It'll
is that what
hold
that's
the
for?
roof
We didn't have
together.
That's
Yay.
pretty cool.
Okay.
Remember last time we built this? Remember the
So
roof
now,
over
while it's drying,
We have beads
it'll
on
hold it together.
How'd
Can
you
we,
do that? Just
Mommy,
break
can we have beads on it?
After you kind of you gotta make little dots and you put those all over your gingerbread house. It's pretty cool, dude.
Oh, I'm gonna add some
Okay?
Can I put one
Here.
up on top?
Put all your candy in this little box, okay?
this.
Yeah, I put mine up there.
Because
go.
you're gonna get them all over.
Yeah, last time we built this when you weren't here, that wasn't there. So I got to the roof part and the whole thing clouded on me and then we just designed it.
That's cool.
Okay.
I've never seen that before.
Oh, now glue.
Except for I think your wall's caving in.
Oh no! Sophia, we're losing a wall.
Good job, dude. Can I help decorate?
We're losing it. We're losing it.
Can we open these
Oh,
two
that's
for you?
pretty cool.
Yeah. I told you.
We'll put the
Yeah.
orange one when we take this one off, okay?
That's
Here.
pretty cool.
Those are Christmas lights. And what we can do is put them all the way around. Look,
No,
watch.
I can put one up here.
Okay.
And
put wherever you want, dude.
Hey, Damien, you have to say orange. Yeah. Me and Damien have to say orange.
Pretty cool, dude.
Now
Are
we
you
need
gonna
glue
put the
on
Christmas
top.
lights? Yeah, these ones. Look, we got little Christmas lights.
No.
And I can put some on.
Uh-oh.
Can I put one on?
My these.
Yep.
Can
There we
we
go.
eat it when it dries?
No.
That's the whole point. You
Now
decorate
you
and
can
you
put all
take
your
all the
candy.
candy and stuff off of it.
Do you want to put those guys on top just like you did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First the glue.
Obviously.
Now you add some stuff on this side.
Yep. So you gotta put icing on there for them to stick.
There's some icing there.
See?
Yeah.
Put that one somewhere along there.
Good job.
These stand things made it like
So much easier.
so much easier.
Yeah.
My God.
Well, last year when we did it, I didn't have that for the roof. So since the roof went on, the whole thing just
Maybe
collapsed.
they figured out that's what you need to do. We have.
Oh no! That's okay. I'll fix that.
Remember, you have a whole house to do, Damien, so don't put them all on one side. Do you want to spin your gingerbread house around and put it on the other side now?
I want to put some on here. Like that.
That's a cool.
And then we're gonna wait.
You wanna do the other
till we
side?
put this guy right here, okay?
Okay.
Your roof is not cooked in or something.
Mine put
Your-
one on.
your
You can
fake
put one
roof.
anywhere you want.
Like- Oh, you put your windows upside down, sideways.
Oh no, Sophia! You put your windows sideways. Oh well, that's fine. Oh, fancy house.
You're doing such a good job.
You should take a picture from this so you can go to school tomorrow and show her. Show all your friends at school that you built a cool gingerbread house on the weekend.
Well, I told you we're
job.
right here when this
Your
starts.
blue one's falling off, Sophia. Oh, Daddy fixed it.
Mommy, it's sour.
Where else?
See? That orange gumball turned into gum.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
It's gum. Chew it.
Ow.
It's gum.
Gum gum.
Chew it like gum.
Don't swallow it. Just chew it.
Please.
Chew, chew, chew.
Can I put decoration on?
I don't
Okay.
like it.
Here.
Don't eat it then, Damien.
Yo. Okay. You got 4 more, then you can eat the rest. Nope, let's do this side. Up to here in this corner.
Do you want to flip it around again, dude?
1, 2. Oh!
Here, spread it out first. Like that.
I add him some eyes.
You got some eyes. You got red eyes?
You got a nose.
Good job.
What about a smile?
Nope.
Don't lose them.
Trying to get him.
Trying to get them on there? Oh, that's a pretty bright Christmas tree.
Ready.
Hey, don't just eat it, you little bunker. I want to do that.
Now the sides. Yeah.
That's it. Can I eat it?
And
Can we
some
eat
more on the
this?
roof.
Can I have the gingerbread guy?
Mommy.
Can I have the Christmas tree?
Mommy.
You want to do these first?
Can I have your Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Put them in here so they don't roll around as much.
That's a good job.
We're already eating mine. Ah, good gingerbread man.
Was that a good gingerbread man? Was he tasty?
Yeah. Don't forget these Christmas lights.
I won't.
He has eyebrows right there.
Is that what it is? Oh, got a big drip. Drip, drip. Oh, it dropped.
Good job.
Woo! Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Right.
Sophia, look at my head. Sophia, are you making eyebrows like angry birds? Yeah.
Birds.
Eyebrows. 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 Eyebrows.
Well, what do you think?
What, me?
Are you happy?
Was it worth it to
Yes.
wait? Hey, I want to do that.
Where's my big ball?
You ate it.
Handle?
Remember?
You ate it. Remember the orange one? You ate it. You shouldn't have ate it.
We're supposed to go in the house.
It turned into gum. Remember?
Well, I like it. High five, dude.
No, is
There you go.
it dry?
Here you go.
Mm-mm. I would leave it on still. You have to leave it on for a little bit.
Sophia, Nanny,
Yes?
you have to ice and ice.
I know, I'm not done. We're not done.
Look at my ice I put on.
We're not done.
No.
Still got lots to go.
Mine is better than yours.
Hey, that's not nice.
That's no fair. Mine is gonna be better than yours.
Okay, you two, stop.
That's not fair. Mine is gonna be better
Okay,
next.
stop.
Papa, I like a gingerbread house. Come up. You come.
Yeah, Papa.
Yeah, Papa. Come on.
Shut up,
Come on.
Leave me alone now.
Go tell him.
Don't
Yeah.
bug me out.
Come on. Now. Now.
Okay, that's enough.
Now you know I'm not coming.
Yes, close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
Block it.
Last time I closed my eyes, 2 misfits came into my house.
Come.
You're losing something on the front there.
Where?
No, not you, Tiffany.
Oh.
You guys get to the plumbing stage yet on those houses?
Yeah? The electrical's done, the plumbing's done.
Mine is better
Shingling
than
only
yours.
took seconds.
Hey, no fair.
That's because somebody was smart enough to simplify things.
I did simplify it as much as I could.
Let me see. Holy mackerels, you're done already?
You did most of it.
Hey, I'm not done yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Mine is already done.
Have a finishing touch.
really.
Really? Because it's not sweet enough as it is.
I was about to say that. If it's not just sugar enough.
Sprinkle on, Damien.
One.
It's snowing.
It's nine.
Ready?
Nine.
It's done, but
Nine.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
Keep it snowing on mine. It's raining. It's pouring.
do I have to plow that?
Now you do.
It's sleeping.
Got lots of snow coming, eh?
Look at the camera and say cheese. Cheese. Damien, fingers out.
Wow.
Cheese. Damien.
Can I take this off?
Not yet, no.
No.
Say
He's still holding it,
cheese. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Maybe we can make a gingerbread house like Sophia.
Okay, goodbye.